Hey guys, it's Amelia. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how I make my charm locket badge reel holders. So they're all retractable. This one's an alligator clip, which swivels. And then all the charm locket badge reel holders are magnetic closures, so you can change out the charms that are inside. Some people choose to glue them shut. That's up to you. I have 2 orders for them, so I'm just gonna do them real quick with you so you can see how I make them. Don't mind me if I seem out of breath. I am 37 weeks pregnant and I'm always out of breath. So I have all my supplies laid out here. I have both badge reels, which I will link in the comments or in the description. I have my E6000. You might have seen in my other videos, I prefer the big tube, but for these, it's like detail work. So I actually prefer these little sample tubes. It has a smaller opening, so it's easier to control where the glue goes. Anyways, I have an order for a rose gold locket badge reel and for a rainbow iridescent rhinestone badge reel. The baby is kicking. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I make them. So one person wanted a alligator clip, which these are my personal preference. They swivel, they clip to your shirt, your scrub top, your belt loop, whatever. So before I make anything, I always test it. I wanna make sure that it works. So I always clasp it, unclasp it, the clasp works. I test the retractability, I don't know if that's a word. I make sure this opens and shuts and that it swivels. Okay, so that's good. The other person wanted a belt loop slide back. These don't swivel or move or anything. You can still slide it onto your shirt. Well, maybe not my sweater, might be a little too thick, but no, that works. Anyways, it's just a slide. These don't retract quite as far, but that retracts. I'm gonna test to make sure this opens and shuts, great. So those are ready. I'm just checking my Etsy shop to see which one. Okay, so the rose gold is gonna go in the alligator clip. So let me show you what I do. I've already cleaned these. You could just use glass cleaner, Windex, alcohol wipe if you have it, whatever you prefer. So I'm just gonna test this, make sure the clasp opens and shuts. And then I prefer, I always make sure that it opens up, so like I know to glue on the bottom side. So I'm gonna flip it over. I have my E6000. I'm gonna open that. And I'm actually gonna flip it towards you so you can see. Anyways, I just go right around the edge with the glue, all the way around. You don't want it too thick because you don't want it to bleed over into the glass. Like you don't want to see it through the badge reel. So I just squeeze a little teeny bit at a time. You can always go back and add more, but it's really hard to take it off. It like smears on the glass. So I always start with less than I think I need. But actually, that one is perfect. I don't know if you'll see, I don't know if you can tell, it like dangles. It's like not a clean cut when you're done gluing, so you have to wipe it a little bit because you don't want to pull it out and then have the string of glue across the glass. Okay, what did I say? Alligator clip, got it. So I line up, you see the little hook piece, like the necklace part? I line that up with the part that dangles on the badge reel. Okay, and see it's not quite center? Just twirl it. You don't want to slide it like up or down or left or right because it'll change where the glue shows, but you can turn it so that that hook lines up. And then if I were to lay it like this to dry, it wouldn't lay flat, right? See how it's at an angle? So it would actually slide down and dry like not perfectly. So you can either stack things underneath of it to hold it up evenly, but personally I just dry it just like this. So I flip it, I don't know if I can show you this without messing up my phone holder, but I just flip it right upside down and then let it dry like that. Okay, one more. Gotta catch my breath. Okay, and then here is the last one I'm gonna show you. So same exact process. The only difference is I don't have to open the clasp to see which way to glue on because I know the rhinestones go on top, so I know the glue will go on the bottom. Okay, and same thing, see how it's kind of like following the tube? Just want to wipe that off. Okay, and then I line it up at the bottom of the badge reel again. Swirl it so that it's perfectly center. And that is it. I'm just gonna lay that face down to dry. And then I'll link, I have a million charms. I didn't pull them out for this video. I just keep them in a pencil box in like little baggies, all organized by theme. So like these ones are my Harry Potter theme. So there's an H and a P, and then the Gryffindor colors and the little triangle thingy. Oh my gosh. Don't mind my naked nails. I'm doing my manicure later today. There's a lightning bolt in there, and then there's a little Hedwig owl. So I'll link where I get those all over Amazon. eBay is a good place. Those are my favorites. You can get them on like, what is the locket place that opens and shuts? The place where you can buy lockets like this. I'm drawing a blank on their name. Anyways, you can get them from there, but they're more expensive. So I prefer to get them on eBay and Amazon. Whenever I think of that name, I'll link it in the description too, but it might take me a minute. My brain is very foggy. Okay, so if you have questions, please, please, please ask, and like and subscribe and follow, and let me know what you want to see next. Okay, thanks you guys. Bye.